hats. That's what this is it. People wear it on their bottom half, not on their head. Although, we did see a client try to put it on their upper half before, like this, literally putting it on. That was actually pretty funny. But right now, when you see this yellow coming out, that means you cannot use the suit. What you need to do is, before you would use it, you have to fix it. So there are so many gyms all over the world that they actually don't care of this, and the cable just hang out, and of course eventually breaks. But we don't want to be, when you see yellow, it means people don't care, right? So what we want to do, or eliminate, is that at For You Fitness, anywhere when anybody comes in or see or any pictures, they never see yellow. Because what I hate the most is when I look up any other gyms in the world and they actually have yellow hanging out in their suits. You do not want to do that. So you always want to be nice, look everything up to date, and everything is cool and working. So what you do is, you have to really gently open this up nicely. In here there are cables here all inside. And what you need to do is gently push this back in there and pull it all back, the cables. But what happened is, we need a new, what is this called, zip tie here, because it looks like the zip tie loosened up, so now the Velcro is moving up and down here. So, but what you need to do is you literally just pull this back in here. Most of the time, what it is, you just pull this back, but if the Velcro is up, which it is right now, so I'm gonna cut this, and I am going to adjust it, make it tight on the cables, and then there is this black part right here that you put it right on it, like this, and it sticks on it. And once that's done, you have to basically cover this whole thing up, and then the yellow has to be pushed back all the way in. So once you pull it back, so I'm just showing it real quick, and I'm gonna cut the Velcro and show that too, but this is how it should look like. I'm gonna go get a scissors, Velcro, and I'm gonna use this new zip tie, and I'll show you how to do that too.